Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's have a cup of tea on a nice rainy day. So this is a tripod that a buddy gave me, sent to me. I haven't had this thing out in a long time. I thought I'd bring it out today. And it's actually been so long I gotta try to remember how to put it together. So these three here, like this, and then these three here. You're probably wondering what a tripod has to do with making tea. And I'll show you, don't worry. Oh, I forgot that there were three legs to this. Alright, so there we go. Little tripod. It's on the picnic table. I've had this in the fire. You can see the, I don't know if you can see that, but right here there's there's charring from fire. Then I threw the rest of the components in this pill bottle because it's got a chain. Oh no, I didn't bring the chain. Dag nubbit. I'd like to take this opportunity to apologize for the tripod or lack thereof, simply because I'd forgotten the damn chain. It's been a while since I used it, so not that that's any excuse. Oops. Well, let's get the tea going. I had a honey packet in my pocket. I was using my body heat to warm up the honey a little bit, so it would come out easier. Alright, cheers. And hot. Oh yeah. Almost forgot my little snack. Plain donut. It's actually just plain too, there's no... I feel like a lot of places they put too much icing on the donuts. They put it on too thick. They do, you don't need that much icing on your donuts. Seriously. So I'm sitting here just enjoying my tea. And I had a thought. It's like, you know, I remember coming out to this park. I'd have 3, 4, 5 different videos planned, all lined up. Today I had 2. And I already shot the first one. So I thought, well, I want to do something a little different. So I actually had a Trangia set, or Trangia stove, fuel, and I was going to hang this kettle by the tripod and hang this over the excuse me, and hang it over the stove. Like something a little different. But I forgot to chain, so that was my fault. Didn't even think about it. I didn't bring any paracord or cordage because I only came to the park. It's not like I went out to the woods. So, fortunately, I had the stove behind me. I could boil the water. But, yeah. I guess I owe you a video for the tripod, but I didn't have anything else going on. I haven't bought any new gear. I mean, I bought a couple of new pans for home, but you know, that's just so I can cook with. And neither of them are cast iron. And then I haven't needed any new knives. I mean, there's stuff I want to get, but it's priced out of my range, so. Oh, I hope I haven't peaked. That'd be pretty annoying. I don't know. I guess I'll just sit here and sip my tea in the rain. I mean, I'm under a covered area, of course. You can actually see the leg right here. I'm at the park. Being right out in the direct rain, it's just no bueno. So. Pretty good. Just lemon tea with some honey. If you're at the spot on a wet day. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching, and you know, if you want to see the tripod in action next time I come out to the park or something, I'll try to bring it with me. Even if I go to the woods, if I manage to go to the woods, I'll still bring the tripod. So I'll just remember the chain. Remember the chain, dude. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Catch you in the next one.